Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can see this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and you can see the button, no scratches, the corner no scratches. You can see the charging port, no scratches, and here no scratches. The button no scratches. This is a China version, so you can see here the SIM card slot, and okay, you can see the screen. No problem. And let me show you the device information. Now you can see this model number is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and the model number is you can see CHA. CH means this is China version, and the capacity is 512 gigabytes. And you can see a China version can use two SIM card. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Also unlocked one. No SIM card restrictions. You can use two SIM card in one phone, and this is China version. And let me show you the battery capacity. And you can see the battery capacity is 92%, and the cycle count is 6,660. And the first use is September 2024. Yes, you can see the charging port is shining charging port. No problem. Good condition. Good condition. Also the no problem. My fingerprint. Okay. No problem. No scratches. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, if you want to know more information about the iPhone, and you can subscribe to my channel, and I will share more information about the iPhone. Okay, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, 512 gigabyte, and the China version. You can use two SIM card. Okay. See you in the next video.